Hi, my name is Ponta, and I'm an editorial manager at Ortho Evidence. Today, we are going to go over the Advanced Clinical Evidence Report, also known as an ACE report. An ACE report is an evidence-based summary and evaluation of recent, high-quality, high-interest orthopedic research papers. There are several components to the ACE report that I will touch upon in this video. Moreover, in 2019, OE launched the ACE Report 2.0 format, which adds additional graphical representations of key findings in easily understandable OE-generated figures. Before I go over each component, I want to emphasize that only randomized controlled trials and meta-analyses of randomized controlled trials are selected as candidate ACE reports, and these are rigorously selected through a comprehensive search strategy. After potential papers are identified, they are screened and processed through a rigorous extraction pipeline before being transferred to an editorial team of research specialists who distill, evaluate, and format the information as an ACE report. So now that I've given a brief overview of our process, let's begin with going over the components of an ACE report. First, we produce an informative title for each ACE report to better align with the results of the study. We also include the title of the original article, as you can see here. As well, if you click here, you can navigate to the original article. For each ACE report, we assign a study type. For example, this randomized control trial tested the effectiveness between two therapeutic interventions, and so was categorized as a therapy study. However, we include many more study types, including prognostic, diagnostic, and safety studies, among others. The synopsis is similar to an abstract and provides background on the study topic and summarizes the study's methodology and results. The next component, the funding information, outlines the documented funding for the research and outlines any conflicts of interest provided by the authors. This helps to ensure the complete transparency when interpreting the results. Next, in the Why Was the Study Needed Now section, we describe the rationale for the study and its importance within the larger context of the field. The next component, the What Was the Principal Research Question section, simply poses the aim of the study using the PCOT format. The What Were the Important Study Characteristics demonstrates visually the total number of patients randomized in the study, as well as to each arm. Moreover, population characteristics and treatment descriptions are displayed in a visually appealing and easy to understand way. Now, all outcomes, including primary and secondary outcomes, methods, and time points are also shown. Moving on to the next section, what were the important findings? Here we describe the results in detail, including the primary and secondary outcomes, the associated statistical analyses, and the risk of bias. These outcomes are depicted graphically for our audience to easily and quickly discern the results of the study. Also, the risk of bias of each outcome is displayed here and is evaluated using standardized tools such as the AmStar2 and the Cochrane risk of bias. This provides an independent assessment of the quality of the study. The last component is, what should I remember most and how will this affect the care of my patients? And this section interprets the results and the implications of the study findings. Also, we explore potential limitations and biases of the study and whether and where future research is required. Finally, I would like to highlight that as much as possible, we aim to verify the content in any ACE report with the original authors, which is indicated by the green check mark here. Moreover, many ACE reports are supplemented by exclusive OE author interviews, which are short, informative discussions on the results and implications of the study from the perspective of the lead author. This allows for the study authors to provide additional insights about the work and on potential research plans that may stem from the study. Now that concludes our video today. Thank you for joining us here today.